What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and today we got a new firearm in. Let's Like I said, family, today we got a new firearm in to unbox. I've been looking at this firearm for a while, but I finally pulled the trigger on it, no pun intended. And so without further ado, let's head over to the table and check this thing out.
All right, guys, as you can see, we got a new Glock in. And honestly, I couldn't wait for you guys to do this unboxing. I've already unboxed it and kind of set it up. I apologize. But let's get into it. As you already know what the Glock, what the case looks like. Can you guys guess what it is before I show you? Oh, wait, you already know because you read the title. All right, so what we have, it's a Glock G45. Yes, sir. So let's see exactly what we get. Like I said, I already unboxed this thing and kind of put some things together on it, man. I apologize. I could not wait. I was excited, but this is not the final look of this firearm. But let's get into it. Have the actual firearm here. I'm gonna remove that. Gonna get that out of the way just so kind of we can see what's in this case. So first, you have your Glock MOS adapter set. Like I said, I've already used this. I've already set it up. So you guys know it's a Glock G45 MOS. I heard a lot of bad things about the Glock MOS adapter set, but I installed it anyway because I wanted to give it a try for myself. And when I do the 1,000-round range review, I'll let you guys know how it held up. Next, we have back straps, extra back straps that came with it. This is the mounting plate and the extra plates that actually came inside of the Glock MOS adapter set, which is great. It came with all the plates and screws needed. Of course, got your lock. We don't use these, but we got your locks. Got your Glock cleaning tool. All your Glock materials. Speed loader. And mags. This firearm did come with 3 17-round mags, which you can't beat. Quality Glock mags, 17-round Glock mags. Came with 3 of them, so you can't beat that. Now let's get to this firearm. First, this firearm is clear. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, I already put a TLR1 on there. I had one sitting around, so I put it on there. Then I put the Hollow Sun HS 407. I put that on there as well. I had this sitting around, and I honestly got anxious as soon as I got back from the gun store and wanted to get this thing kind of set up to take to the range. Haven't taken it to the range yet. Haven't even fired a round through it. I plan on doing that. Got the ammo in already. Gonna do a 1,000-round review of this thing. But what I love most about this is this grip. It has to me, this is the perfect firearm. So it has the Glock 17 grip with the Glock 19 slide, which is perfect. I can get a great grip on this firearm without having the longer Glock 17 slide. 17-round capacity. So you can use this thing for concealed carry if you want to. This is gonna be my workhorse at the range, doing classes. When I'm doing classes, when I'm taking classes, this is going to be my workhorse. So I probably will update the optic. I may change out the trigger as well. You guys seen my Glock 19 with the Timney trigger. I love that trigger. Haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the trigger yet. I got to get some rounds down range first. But of course, came with your Glock U sights. These things will be gone. I'm gonna get suppressor height sights on here. I really don't like the stock Glock sights, man. I think it's about time for them to upgrade it. So what we'll do now, we'll check out this trigger. This firearm is clear. So the trigger, that's your wall right there. So it's not much of a wall. It's a pretty good feeling. There's your wall. There's your break. After your break, there's your reset. Fire again. That's not bad at all. Let's look at that again. So here's your take up. I'm at the wall. Break. There's the reset. There's the second shot. That's a very nice fit. This trigger feels nice, man. Can't lie with that. So like I said, I'm going to take this thing to the range, do 1,000 round review on this, and I'll be back with that 1,000 round review. But I did want to get you guys the unboxing of this. I think, to me, this is a perfect firearm. Man, you have the Glock 17 grip, like I said, then the Glock 19 slide. It's just a perfect firearm in my opinion. With the MOS, which you cannot beat. All firearms, in my opinion, should come with an optics cut. I mean, it's 2023. Let's get with the program.
Yes, sir, man. That Glock 45 MOS is amazing, man. I like everything it came with. Came with pretty much everything I need right in the box. I can't wait to take this thing to the range and really put it through its paces. And then I'll come back and let you know what I really thought about that firearm. You know me, I'm not going to hold any punches. I love Glock, but I'm not a Glock fanboy. I'm just a fan of this firearm. I can't wait to get this thing to the range, and I'll come back and let you guys know how it was. What are my thoughts about it? If I liked it, if I disliked it. I'm going to be honest, man. I know I'm going to like it. I've shot this thing before, but I'm actually going to put it through the paces at the range. And then, like I said, I'll come back and let you guys know exactly what I think about it. So do me a favor, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also check out our website, clarksfirearmtraining.com. There's a lot of classes on there. There's a lot of content on there. Plenty of information. We also got some affiliate links on there to save you guys some money. So like I said, I'll check you guys out on the next video.